Hey there, Brendan with Business for Chummies. Today we're going to take a quick look at the COUNTIF and COUNTIFS function in Excel. So I have my data sheet here. I have actually a list of products. I scroll over to my left so we can see my product IDs. I've got a list of products here, some very simple information. I got a product description column, a color column, and a size column. And so we're going to use the COUNTIF and COUNTIFS functions to find our blue products. We're going to get a count of our blue products. We're going to get a count of our extra large products, and then we're going to use the COUNTIFS function to find how many blue extra large products are there. We need the COUNTIFS function if there's multiple criteria. So let's get started with the COUNTIF function. I'm going to go ahead and hit equals COUNTIF, and I want to select the range. So I'm going to select the range of all my rows in the color column. And my criteria is I want to know how many rows have the value of blue in this column. And I'll hit enter. And we've got 7. It's these 7 rows here. You can see the countdown at the bottom. I'll do the same for the extra large products. Equals count if. I'll choose the size column here. And then in my criteria, I'm going to put XL and hit enter. You can see we have 3 products here that are extra large. Now, if we want to combine the two, we need to use the COUNTIFS function. That'll allow us to put more than one criteria into the formula. So in the cell below here, I'm going to do equals COUNTIFS, and then I'm going to select my first range that I want to search for. I'll choose the color column. Similar to the first search up here, I want to search the color column for the blue value. And then I'm going to hit comma again, and then you can see it jumps over my second range criteria. I'm going to highlight the size column, comma, and then I'm going to say I want to search for also extra large. And you could keep going. I don't know what the limit is, but there's a lot here. You just keep going and build a very complex formula here. But I'm going to close this COUNTIFS function, and what this is doing is saying, look in rows C2, look in column C2 through C19, find any row that has the blue value. That'll be these 7 rows. And then out of those 7 rows, find any row that has in the D column the XL value. And so we should see only this one value here for the Chummies for Life t-shirt blue extra large. So let's go ahead and hit enter. Yep, and in fact we do. We only see that one value, which is this value here. So a really great function, very simple to use. You'll end up using it a lot. So I hope you learned something, had fun. See you next time.